If you're watching this video, then that shows me you're ready for a little more of a challenge than the beginner level, but not quite something as hard as the challenge level. So for you, choose the middle row. We've got 3 activities: Brick Breaker, Pattern Maker, and Code Commander. All of these you can access at the same website. So you click here to get to the website. And remember the name of the activity. So right now I'm looking for Brick Breaker. And I click on this little link that pops up. And I need to find Brick Breaker on the next screen. So I scroll down. And here's Brick Breaker with the penguin. Click there. And once the activity starts, you're going to be looking at the left-hand side of the screen first for a tutorial. This is the first of 8 screens. So if you click here, you can see a sample of what you're going to be creating. Yours might not look exactly the same. This is just a sample, and you'll have sound on it when you use it. Then you're going to read all of these directions. It says use the left and right keys to move the paddles, and tells you what you're going to do. When you get to the bottom of the directions on this screen, click the next button. Read the ones on the next level that comes up. Every physics-based game uses this block to turn on physics. So you need to drag this block over and place it in so that it clicks right into that little hole there. It says the set gravity block, and then you read all of that and bring that in here too. Now whenever you have something like this, you can change the numbers. So before you change anything, be sure to read and see what you need to do to change, and to see what you need to change them to. Now this is the second screen of 8. That means you're going to keep reading, clicking next until you get through 8 levels. When it's time to run your program, you click over here where it says play and see what happens. Sometimes you're going to need to choose some things from here. Here's a paddle to choose, a brick 1, brick 2, and brick 3, and a ball. And here's the stage. Sometimes you're going to be clicking things here to change the same kinds of things that are over here, so pay attention. Now the next activity that you could choose from is the Pattern Maker, and it's going to draw some neat things, so you're telling the computer what to draw. It works a lot the same way. You're going to have to choose Pattern Maker from this group of activities, and it's right here. You're going to have to read the directions on the left side just like you did on the last activity. Hi, I'm Whiskers. Do you want to see me draw something cool? Looks pretty neat. Wonder how they got all those colors and how to tell the mouse where to go. You're going to have to find out. Let me show you a few commands that you can use. Click the blocks and see what Whiskers does. So when you click the blocks, look, he moved forward 200 pixels. Sometimes you can change the numbers. So click each one of these and see what happens. And then click the arrow to move to the next directions. And just keep working through this in that way. Now, if you don't want that activity, let's say you want to play Code Commander. You're going to program an army to fight against the evil Goblin King. You click this link, and then you're going to go right back to that same place you were to choose that activity. And here it is, real close to the top. Here's some directions to read here. It says in this game you're going to learn to program an army to fight against the evil Goblin King. Once your army grows, you can even battle other players. To get started, click on the play button. So click here. You have 59 seconds left to build your character, so don't take too long to build your character. Then just keep following each screen as you go to see what to do. Now, it doesn't matter which of these you choose. Pick the one that you're most interested in and have a fun time with it. You probably won't complete it all today, but you can work more on it tomorrow, and you'll probably get through it a lot quicker tomorrow. Have fun with it. Good luck.